In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Now you can click on Vibration right away. This way you will mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, and click on Vibration section at the top, available for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Now apply the best pattern for your incoming calls by tapping on it, or disable this option completely by selecting None. Whatever you do, when you finished, go back, click on Message Tone, and do exactly the same for your messages. You can also click on Notification Tone and pick Vibration pattern for your notifications as well. Lastly, scroll all the way down, click on More Settings, and tap on the switcher next to Vibrate when ringing. This way you will disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to System Haptics to turn off or off vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!